Stop a migraine with the help of lemonade with Himalayan salt recipe. While there is no scientific evidence to suggest that lemonade with Himalayan salt can directly stop a migraine, some people believe that this combination may help alleviate certain migraine symptoms or possibly prevent them due to the potential hydration and electrolyte balance benefits. However, it's essential to remember that individual responses to such remedies can vary, and migraine triggers and treatments differ from person to person. If you suffer from migraines, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment options. If you're interested in trying this remedy as a complementary approach, here's a simple recipe for a lemonade with Himalayan salt that you can make. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, adjust to taste, 2 teaspoons of honey, optional, for sweetness. Instructions: squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass or pitcher. Add 2 cups of water. Start with 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt and adjust to your taste preferences. The salt is added to help replenish electrolytes, but it can be quite strong, so it's essential not to overdo it. If you prefer a sweeter flavor, you can add 2 teaspoons of honey. Remember that sugar and artificial sweeteners may trigger migraines in some individuals, so use sweeteners cautiously. Stir the mixture well until the salt, and honey, if added, has dissolved. You can serve it chilled or over ice. Keep in mind that staying well hydrated is essential for overall health, and this lemonade may provide some hydration and electrolyte balance.